So this is the pound dollar analysis for Thursday, the 5th of April. Now, let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So here on the pound dollar, what we did see was we did have prices respecting the 400 period moving average. We've had a slow progression beyond the 124.69. We came pretty close towards this 141 level. We did come close also to the 200 period moving average, but we are seeing some sell side momentum. So we did mention that this move upwards did seem a bit cautious, as exemplified by the size of the retracement. We had quite deep retracements, suggesting that the bulls weren't in complete control of the market, and especially in light of this most recent trend being to the downside, this may just be a shallow recovery before we see further sell side momentum re-enter this market. So if we do see this momentum follow through and we continue to break beyond this 40.69, if we can break down from this 400 period moving average, we're then looking for price head down towards our 140.05 while being aware of the 140.20. We have seen bullish buy side momentum coming to the market at the 140.20, so we do have to be aware of that. But also maybe looking for prices head down towards our 140.05, a successful break from which it is a major level marked out in red, so I wouldn't expect prices to break. But if we did break from this 140.05, 139.42 could come into focus. If, however, we do see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market from where we are at present, and we are to retake the 140.69, we're then looking for price head up towards our 141 level, where we do have the 200 period moving average, a successful break from which we're then looking for the key another important level of 41.18. And if there is sufficient volatility, we could come close to this 41.96. I wouldn't anticipate us coming towards 41.96 unless it's a very strong catalyst. But a move beyond this 141.18, possibly up towards that 141.50s or so, before looking for progression up towards that 141.96. Now we'll have a brief look at the daily chart here on the pound against the dollar. So as we can see here on the pound against the dollar, we've had this recovery upwards. We've had this sharp sell-off over a couple of days, but we have seen this bit of a recovery here. But these candles do appear small in size in terms of open to close, suggesting that there may be a bit of bearish overhang this market at the moment. Bulls are a bit cautious, so we could see a further breakdown in prices here on the pound against the dollar due to apprehension in this move upwards. And with that said, that wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.